Hi guys, if you want to study in Canada, this video is for you. So so many of you are determined to study in Canada, and that is an amazing thing that I strongly encourage everyone to follow their dream. But I wanted to draw your attention to the new proof of funds regulations that the Ircc, or the federal government of Canada, has proposed. So effective January 1st, the maintenance fee, or the maintenance amount, which was in the past 10,000 Canadian dollars, has been increased to 20,635 Canadian dollars. So someone is going to ask, what does this mean? So pretty much what this means is that for proof of funds, you will need to show this minimum maintenance money, which is the 20,635 Canadian dollars, plus 1 year of tuition, plus at least anywhere around 5,000 Canadian dollars for travel and other related expenses. So for example, if you have a 1 year tuition of around 10,000 Canadian dollars, what this means is that you will need to add that 10,000 to the 20,635 to make around 30,635 Canadian dollars, and include or add an additional 5,000 for travel and other related expenses, bringing it up to a total of $35,000. So know that this is going to be the minimum that you need to have. But to show that you have enough proof of funds, then you need to show usually adding an extra 5 or 10,000 Canadian dollars in the bank account. With this new policy, it means that the Ircc is going to be more strict. They are going to be more vigilant. It is not just about providing a proof of funds, but they would like to know where the source of that funds is coming from. If you have been sponsored by your family member, a relative, you need to establish strong ties and prove that relationship, and also be able to, the monies that are coming in must be traceable. That means it needs to show the source. So you cannot just have any money at all and just dump it in your bank account, or go and forge a bank statement thinking that the Ircc is going to approve it. So the trick or the secret is that if you want to build your own account, then the account should be run or maintained for a minimum of 4 to 6 months. So if you have family, friends, relatives don't giving you money, then once they transfer that money, they have to indicate the purpose for the deposit or transfer or gift. And I would also encourage you for them to also write a letter showing that they've given you this money as part of supporting or sponsoring your education. So it is going to become a little bit tougher, but I know that it is not impossible. And if you want to learn about how to get financing or student loan, there is an organization that I'm going to talk to you about in my next video. So share this video to your family and friends, telling them about this new proof of funds that you need. So like I said, let's say 21,000 plus your 1 year tuition. If the tuition is 15,000, then that is going to make it to 36,000, plus travel and other related expenses of around 5,000, bringing it up to a total of 41,000. And you are not just going to keep a balance in your bank account balance of exactly 41,000. You need to show that you have more than that, just to cater for any unforeseen happenings, which that in life we cannot do away with. So thank you for watching this video. Share to all your friends, and comment and let me know if you have any questions or need any clarification. And like I said, stay tuned for my next video, and I'm going to show you an organization that have offers student loan to so many students across the globe, and you can also take advantage of it. Thank you.